Hey you guys, today we're going to do a DIY turmeric face mask using aloe vera gel, bentonite clay, turmeric, and apple cider vinegar. My face is dry, I have so many dark spots, it's dull, it's just bad, and that's enough for me. So let's get started. Okay, I'm back. I made sure to wash my face twice just to get the turmeric out of my pores and make sure everything is clean. And so now I'm going to go in with this prickly pear cactus seed oil. I recently purchased this offline and I love it. It really helps with skin inflammation. And a lot of times when you do use bentonite clay or azure clay, any type of clay, it can just be a little harsh, not too much, but you know, the skin isn't used to a clay detox, so it really helps calm and soothe the skin after that detoxification process. So I'm just gonna go and moisturize my face, just moisturize, get under the eyes, move my hands in the upward motion. So this is said to kind of help with anti-aging and wrinkles, so I don't know, we'll see. But I'm just gonna pat my face dry and just look at myself because I look good, okay? Hey. No, but then we're gonna go into this jojoba oil. I really love jojoba oil, and I only use a little bit, but I love it because it's very similar to the sebum that we already have in our skin. And it helps treat acne. I know for a long time I was having some issues with my acne, and you know, I didn't know what facial oils to use, and I just decided to use jojoba oil because it doesn't clog the pores and it's very good for your skin. And so if you have any questions about anything, I'll link everything that I used today in the description box below. But I thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.